Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video, here you can see I have purchased one product in Flipkart. Actually, this is a very small gadget only, but it is very useful for especially for children. This gadget. I'm going to unbox it. Let's see what is the gadget inside this. Let's come on. Yeah, I removed the tapes. Yeah, here you can see here is the gadget, guys. This is a small gadget. Actually, this is very helpful for children's, actually, especially for children's only, this gadget. And here you can see, and I hope you have guessed what is it. Okay, anyway, I will tell. And this is the writing pad, guys. Actually, this is a digital writing pad. How can I say, like in small childhood days, previously we have used like a blackboard and chalk for reading and writing purpose, but now today's world they just introduce like a small writing tablet. It's entirely digital, like a LCD display. There is a one pen for writing or drawing. Like this purpose you can use this LCD screen. Okay, let's first we can unbox it. Actually, this size is 12-inch LCD display, pad size, and 2 years of battery life, non-reactive, short footage, and save the. Okay, it's all good. Let's first we can take this out. Oh, okay. It seems something display is I don't know what is it. What is the color? We can first take this out. Yeah, okay, I've taken this out. Okay, let's first we can turn on this. Yeah, okay. Now only I have turned off. I hope it is already in active state. Okay. Yeah, here you can see it's good, guys. Good day. Oh, newly arrived. It's good. Actually, okay. Just after clicking this, I hope it will got disappeared entirely. Yeah, here you can see there's this small LCD writing tablet actually. Oh, but it will not come. Okay, you cannot able to use hands. I think here you can see it's not. I cannot able to write anything. You need to use this pen only. Here you can see. You need to use this pen only. Likewise. Okay, it's good. I don't know where is the rubber. There is no eraser, it seems. Just we need to click this only for eraser items, I think. And this tablet size is 12-inch. Actually, this is not rechargeable, guys. It's a built-in battery only. If you need to replace battery, means I think we need to remove the screws. But I don't know. I have not yet tried. We need to replace this battery only because it's not a rechargeable battery. So only here they mentioned the life is 2 years battery actually, and in backside also they given some points to replace a built-in battery and all. Just to loosen the screw and out the battery pack to replace a new battery, like that and all. But better if it is a rechargeable, means it's even super good for this. And actually for children's it is very helpful, guys. You can see, and plus in backside they are given some lock and unlock buttons. I think it will not erase anything. For example, let's I'm going to draw some YouTube symbol but just I tried this YouTube symbol. Yeah, okay, I am now going to lock this. Even after clicking this, here you can see it will not erase because it's in lock state. Okay, after just and push this button to unlock state. Just I'm going to click this. Here you can see it's completely got erased, guys. And Okay, that's all regarding this video. It's a small but useful gadget for children especially. It's quite interesting because if you are using some chalk and some slate means it's bit got bored, but anyway, if you are using this gadget for your children's means it's quite got interesting, this gadget actually. And it costs us also very less, guys. It's just 200 rupees only. There's LCD display writing pad. It's just 200 rupees only, guys. It's not cost much. And okay, they have mentioned 2 years of battery. Anyway, we can check. And size is 12 inch, guys. There's a 12 inch LCD screen. And okay, just keep as it is. How is it? And okay, guys, getting this, that's all. It's just a small gadget. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any queries or doubts, just ask in the comment section. Definitely every day. And please do like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And there's one thing I forgot to tell, and this gadget is available in Amazon or Flipkart, in both the websites, guys. You can purchase it anywhere, and the cost is a very small amount only, just 200 rupees. This 12 inch LCD tablet, sorry, it's not a tablet, it's LCD screen. Yeah, just 200 rupees only. It's very cheap. And okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. I will see you next video. Bye, see you next video.